2023 is my past out year. I completed my degree of Bachelor in Engineering in EC stream. I got placed in IVY Mobility company as a test engineer. I joined QSpiders in the month of June. While joining, I was not aware of any coding knowledge. After joining, I gained some coding knowledges with the help of the professor, and I was learned with SQL, which is taught by Bayat sir, and I learned manual testing, which is taught by Asha sir. These things were very helpful for my interviews to get answer the questions, and they are taught me with real-time examples.